The other type of example and the other formula that we're looking at is we're going to look at sinking funds. So the difference is the ordinary annuity formula that we just used gave us the total amount of money at the end. Here, what we're looking for is we're looking for the amount of each payment based on a goal. So again, notice that it is kind of related. What we've done is we've actually just taken the other formula and solved for P instead of A. So it does look similar, but we've kind of flip-flopped it. What was in our numerator and denominator, and then our P and our A have flip-flopped as well because we have found basically the inverse of our other formula. All right, so in this example, use our sinking fund payment to determine the following. The Burnett's would like to have $55,000 in 10 years to purchase a travel trailer for camping. They decide to invest monthly in a sinking fund that pays 3.3% interest compounded monthly. How much should the Burnett's invest in the sinking fund each month to accumulate $55,000 in 10 years? All right, so A is our amount, right? That is the goal. So that is the $55,000. Right? Our interest rate, 3.3%, 0.033. Right? Our T, our time, is 10 years. N, they're investing monthly. So we're going to use our formula from above. One plus R over N to the NT minus 1. Start plugging our values in. All right, 55,000 times 0.033 over 12, all over parenthesis, 1 plus 0.033 over 12 to the 10 times 12. Again, you could shorten it, just type in 120 there instead, minus 1. When we're plugging it into our calculator, again, think about our whole numerator in parentheses. So when we're plugging into our calculator, we're going to take the 5,000 times that. Again, I didn't actually type them in here for some reason, but generally the more parentheses, the better. Not really necessary in this case. Then we're going to go through that. Remember, y to the x is also our caret button, our exponent button. And what this is going to spit out for an answer, 387.4844207. All right. Now one note to make. Normally in this case, if we were thinking about this any other time we're rounding in this chapter, we're always told to round to the nearest penny. Right? So we're told to round to, in this case, 387.48. But when we're thinking about our sinking funds, this is going to be the one time that we're always going to round up. So we're going to make a little note here. We're going to say always round up to the nearest penny. Because the idea is we want to make sure that we have enough money. So even though we normally wouldn't round up in this case, we want to round up to make sure that we don't fall short of our goal. Right? So sometimes that extra little fraction of a penny can make a difference. It's better to have too much money in our account than not enough. So in this case, we are going to round our answer up to $387.49. Right. So again, we're going to make a little note here. We always round up for these type of problems. To be sure we don't fall short of the goal. So again, sinking fund formula, we're looking for the amount that needs to be invested on a monthly basis in this case. And then again, when it comes to rounding these, this is a one time where we're going to say always round up to the nearest penny. Right? So just kind of keep that in mind as you're working through these in your homework.